as your shadow crosses mine, what it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny, but I gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. But I gotta let it go.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any
You
place.
are meant for each other. Alam nyo, maraming mga relasyon sa mundong ito na hindi natatapos sa kasal. Gayunpaman din, John Nicolo at Charmaine, pinapakita sa inyo ng Diyos na sa inyong pakikipagtagpo, kayo ay nilikha niya para sa bawat isa.
I promise I'll be yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
Charmaine, from the moment I met you, I didn't know how deeply and completely you would turn my world into something I never imagined was possible.
My future husband, John Nicolo, finally this is it. Looking back at our almost 10 years relationship, all the beautiful moments that we have left up to this day, all the milestones that we've reached together has always been a yes.
My life for you. I promise I'll be yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Dad kasi siya na yung tumayong magulang namin. Mula nung nung mga panahon na sobrang nahirapan tayo, ikaw na yung nagtaguyod sa amin. Thank you. Sobra, sobra.
Daddy and Tatay, I wish na sana nandito kayo ngayon sa wedding ko. Pero alam ko, gagabayan niyo ako hanggang mamaya sa paglalakad hanggang aisle. Kasama yung lalaking pinakamamahal ko.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad.
You are my best friend, my safe place, and my greatest joy. With you, I have found a love that supports me at my weakest moments and celebrates at my strongest. At my lowest, God heard my prayer and sent me an angel.
Basta andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Bagong mo na yan, chapter ng buhay mo. Wala ba kita?
Ko, sana magustuhan.
Thank you na.
Thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo.
Hindi sasayangin ang oras at pag-ibig mo, mas pipiliin ko.
Watch para sa marami pang time na palagi tayong magkasama. This is it. Enjoy your day. Love, your future wife. Wow naman!
Sa ilalim ng bituin, habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo, wala na akong ibang mahihiling.
one I'll give you every day. My laughter, my shoulder to lean on, and a lifetime of adventures by your side. I love you, forever yours, Jack. Ate Karen.
Kung bakit tayo pinag-isa, huwag ka nang kabahan. Ito'y hindi panaginip lang, hindi gumagalaw ang
Charmaine, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si John Nicolo na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
lalim ng bituin, habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo, wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin.
I will always be your #1 supporter, will always cheer you on every goal, achievements, and dreams. No matter how big or small, I will work to build a life that reflects the beautiful bond we share. Charmaine, I will give you my heart, my soul, and my forever. You are my greatest gift, and I will forever be blessed to have you and call you my wife. Ja, I love you with all that I am.
You embrace all my flaws and celebrate all my strength. Today and for always, I choose you and will continue to choose you every day in this lifetime and in every lifetime to come. I love you so much, Ja, your future wife, siya.
Halika't sumaya